Hello, in this video we shall be looking at some examples on squares of numbers. So we'll be solving some of them to inspire you and put you in a position to solve other problems yourself. So let's start with this. Of course, this is 13 square, meaning the square of 13. And this will give us, this means 13 times 13. And of course, if you multiply 13 by 13, that will give you 169. So this one is taken care of, as simple as that. Here we have a fraction. Of course, this means 3 over 7 times 3 over 7. 3 over 7 multiplying itself. So, of course, you know how to multiply fractions. 3 times 3, multiply the top numbers, that will give you 9 over the bottom numbers, the denominators. 7 times 7 will give us 49. And we cannot simplify this further because there is no number that can divide both of them without leaving any remainder. So that is done for that. The next one here, we have a mixed fraction. All you need to do here is to change this mixed fraction to an improper fraction. That's the first step. So this is same thing as 2 times 1 is 2. This is same thing as 3 over 2 all together square. So this, of course, means this. So just as we did this, this is 3 over 2 times 3 over 2. And this will give us 9 over 4. Now, this is an improper fraction. So it is not good to leave it like this. That is putting heavy load on 4. So of course we divide. 4 into 9 is 2 times. Remember 1. So write your 1 over 4. So that is the answer. So you can see they are very, very simple. This is very simple. So this is very clear now. So let's do the next one. I'm going to clean this. Yep. Let's do a decimal, square of a decimal number. So we have 0. So that should be number 4, I think. Yes, number 4. So 0.5 square. This is a decimal number. So of course, this means 0.5 times 0.5. And in our previous videos, this is very simple. This is something as 5 over 10 times 5 over 10. Just to move the decimal point. If you move it, you have moved this to this place, and of course this to this place. So now decimal point is now here, no longer here. It's now here, no longer here. So since you move it, because you move it once, you have over 5 over 10. 5 over 10. And so you go ahead and do this will give you 25. 25. 10 times 10, of course, we know is 100. So this is also simple. If you're dividing by 100, just you go, since you are dividing, the decimal point now is here. So this is how many zero? 2 zeros. So you do 1, 2. So the decimal point will now come here. So we have 0.25. 25 divided by 100 is 0.25, because 2 zeros, you move it 1, 2. 2 zeros, 1, 2. And the decimal point is now here. So since there's no number here, no digit here, you put 0. So that is the answer for this. Let's do number 5. Let's do another decimal number in two decimal places. Square. This we know means this. And of course, from what we have seen, this is, look at it, the decimal point is now here. So we're moving twice. Moving twice. 1, 2. You move the decimal point until it gets to until it crosses the last digit. 1, 2. The same thing with here. 1, 2. Because you move twice, you now write 12 over 100. 100 have 2 zeros. Times the same thing with this. 12 over 100. You now multiply. Of course, 12 times 12 will give us 144 over 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000. So this is also simple. So we are dividing 144 by 10,000. It has how many zeros? Look at 144 here. Look at it here. 144. We are dividing by 10,000, which has 4 zeros. So you start from here. You jump 4 times, because it has 4 zeros. So you can do it here or under anyone. So let's do under this one around. You can do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal point is now here. Because there is no digit here, you on your own, you put 0 here. And then another 0 here. So that means this will be 0.0144. 0144. If you multiply 144 by 10,000, that's what you're going to get. Good. So I hope you are getting it. So let me clean this. That will show you how we can divide. So let's do the last example. Let me clean this. Permit me to write number 6 here. Let's do something a little bit different. 8 squared plus, let me say 6 squared minus 7 squared. So, of course, 8 squared will give us, 8 squared means 8 times 8. And the times table, of course, will give us 64. Plus 6 squared means 6 times 6, which is 36, minus This is 49. 49. Let me write it here. This will give us 100 minus 49. If you minus 49 from 100, that will give you 51. And so that is the answer. So I want to believe that that was simple enough, and that will help you to solve other problems relating to squares of numbers. Help us to share this video so that it will go viral and impact other learners like you. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.